Yes, hello everyone. In this video I just want to show you guys real quick how you can be able to select multiple tables without including duplicate in your select statement. So in this case, if you want to select your datas and you don't want those datas to bring out duplicates when the result comes out, so what you need to do is to include what is statement that is called distinct in front of select statement. So let's do this. After the select statement, you include what is called distinct SQL statement in front of select. Now I'm telling SQL Server from my database to select from my database Adventure Work 2017. Select distinct p dot name as product name from production dot product as p. So now from here I'm turning production product as only letter p. So with only letter p, now this table can be called inner join sales point sales order details. This is another table. Now it's named SD. With SD, this table can be called now. Now I'm owning the P, which is production product, because I've already named it, declare it P as P here. P product ID is mean that do the same thing here as well. On SD, this sales order details on the product ID that was included when this table was created. You already know that you can't select multiple tables if they don't have links, if they don't have relationship. So both production product and sales order detail has links. They have relationship, which the relationship is product ID. So both of them are this production product primary key is added to sales order details. So in sales order detail is called the foreign key. So this is what links them together. Okay, so let's run this query and see what happens. Voila. So now all this result, there is no duplicate. Every data that is here is only one. There is nothing like duplicate or repeated result. So all of them is distinct, means that all of them is unique. All right, thank you very much for watching. See you some other time.